To the animals of Farthing Wood, White Deer Park seemed at last within reach. But a storm broke, and we took refuge in a church.
Come on, everybody, get inside.
But in the morning, the music started. We all took fright. In the chaos that followed, we scattered to the four winds, which was the worst thing that could have happened. And only a couple of fields away, matey. How could it happen?
I just ran, and now the poor things are scattered everywhere, and they won't know how to find us. Oh, I'm so sorry, Fox.
It isn't your fault. I didn't realize we were going so fast. Well, there's nothing for it. We must go back.
Why? Let's just go on, eh? They'll turn up eventually.
We can't go without Badger.
I agree, Mole. After travelling so far together, I would have been so proud to enter White Deer Park with everyone else. But now...
Proud? After Fox ran off, leaving everybody?
An animal's instinct is survival, first and foremost. And for us, that means running.
She's right, matey. No point having to go at Fox now, is there?
Well, Fox, what are we going to do now? I can't wait to hear.
There's nothing they can do, Owl, and you know it. Not in daylight, anyway. If they went back to look for the others, they'd only put themselves in danger.
Have you seen any of the others?
Saw Badger and Weasel running off. In the wrong direction, I'm afraid. Didn't see anyone else.
I wonder where the poor things are.
Probably looking for somewhere to hide.
Quick, in here. I say, Weasel, are you all right? Oh! Where did they go? They can't have gone far. Look under the cars.
Enjoy your trip.
Shut up, Weasel. I hope the others are safe.
Shh.
See what I mean?
Oh, yes. I wish Fox was here. Oh, come on. Let's at least get under cover.
I think I may have broken my leg.
Not now. Come on.
It's all very well for you, but I could be crippled for life.
Come on. I feel safe here, but I do hope our baby stayed with the others.
If I've said it once, I'll said it 100 times. We smaller animals must learn to stand on our own 4 feet. I'm sure Fox didn't mean us to be left behind. Whether or not we're on our own now. All our protectors have upped and left. Isn't that the squirrels up there?
Not a tree in reach, and we're so exposed. Can you see anyone else? Not a soul.
Squirrels? What use are squirrels?
Especially when they're up a pole.
What are you all looking at?
Nothing, Mother.
I'm sure you were looking at something. Was it a human? Oh, Lord, if I see just one more human, I'll die. I know I will.
There. Don't take on. We're safe enough here.
I'm sure I heard someone squeak. What's wrong?
we running?
Because there's a snake after us. It's only adder. Yes, but what adder? Suppose it was ours. We should at least have stayed and asked. Stupid mouse.
I see. It's some sort of game, is it? I'm coming.
What I say is, it's up to us birds.
Whistler's right. You and I would do better to wait here while they round everyone up.
But if they're all in hiding, as you say, how are we supposed to find them?
Owl, you can do it if anyone can. You're so good at hunting.
Well, the sooner we start, the better.
Please find Badger. I couldn't bear to go to White Deer Park without him.
Don't take on, matey. While you're worrying, Badger is probably curled up nice and cosy somewhere.
Cozy? With Weasel?
I didn't know humans lived underground. How can you laugh when who knows what has happened to the others?
Sorry.
Weasel, this is not a game. Don't you care at all?
Oh, dear.
Is Badger upset then?
But, Badger, I'm happy. I like it here. All mod cons, running water, well, dripping water. Nice.
Yeah, disgusting.
No, nice. I'm nice too, Badger, when you get to know me. Which you will, now that we're holed up together.
Stop it!
I'm still thirsty. You know, Badger, humans can be nice too. In fact, I could get to quite like 'em.
Weasel, are you feeling all right?
Never better, old chap. Where are you going?
Just seeing if it's safe to move.
You're not going anywhere without me.
Pass them down to me. Right, gently, gently.
Weasel, speak to me. Where are you? Don't move. Weasel, we've got to get out of here.
I like it.
That's it then. Only the three.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
What on earth? Here, you got a license for that one, Brian.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go.
I'll see to Weasel.
Here we go.
Remember the oath. There are the squirrels. Follow me! Follow me! Follow me!
Safe? In here?
Here we go, here we go. Farthing wood animals forever.
Get away! Get away! Shoo! Go on, shoo!
And what have you to say for yourself, pray? Badger. Fox sent me to look for you.
Oh, that's the first good news I've heard all day.
Just follow me. I'll take you to our leader.
What are we going to do about Weasel?
Leave her. I would.
Can't go without Weasel. You know, Badger, you've been like a father to me. You have. I've always looked on you with the highest...
Oh, get up.
Can I ride on your back, Badger?
You're a fool to yourself, Badger.
Crying never helped anyone.
Never helped anyone sleep, anyway.
I know Badger's all right, Moley. I feel it in me bones.
The squirrels are coming!
Hooray! Hooray! You did come a long way.
Did you see any of the others?
Weasel? Well, we heard her anyway. Here we come, here we come, here we come.
Oh dear.
Hooray! Apparently she drank some human stuff and turned as silly as they are. Made a complete exhibition of herself. Oh, Badger, I'm so glad to see you.
Just let me sit down. Oh, that's better. Well, mateys, soon be on our way now. Don't even think of waking her.
Is she there?
Can't see her.
Adders can't move that fast.
Oh, I'm puffed. I see you. Oh dear, oh dear. Son, go and see if it's safe.
All right, Mother.
Oh dear me, Ada must be out to get us. The oath won't hold water without Fox to enforce it.
It wasn't Ada, Mother. Or if it was, she's got very fast.
Is anyone here?
Eh?
Spoil sport.
When will I stop?
They have stopped.
I can still hear them.
That's your teeth chattering.
I'm glad to see you.
Why are you shaking like that?
How are you going to get us out of here? Pardon?
Can you help us out of the trench, please, Whistler?
Tricky. Could you sort of climb up me, do you think?
We could try.
Ladies first. It's not fair. I'm much worse than she is.
So sorry, can't hear a word you say. Come along, Rabbit. Careful.
Watch out! Come to me!
Where's Ada?
I see you, miceys. Told you so.
Watch out!
Kestrel, thank heavens. Ada's after us.
She just saved your lives, and by the look of it has lost hers.
Serves her right.
Bravo, Ada!
Some game of hide and seek that was.
Fox is waiting for you all.
Well, he can just keep on waiting. We smaller animals can make our way to White Deer Park on our own, thank you very much. What do you say, brothers? On second thoughts, it would be a pity to go it alone after we've all travelled so far together. What do you say, brothers?
And sisters.
We say yes. Now get on with it, foal.
Follow me!
Oh, please get on with it. You are too heavy.
Oh, dear. Now what are we going to do?
I'm afraid you'll have to get off, Rabbit.
I won't. I won't.
Oh dear, but you must. I've got to go for help.
You'll leave me here. I know you will.
Please get down.
You'll leave me here, and I'll die.
I'll come back, I promise. Just you stay put.
How can I do anything else?
I say, help! Rabbit's stuck in a ditch.
Stupid rabbit. I'll go back for him.
No. Remember what happened at the river.
If I hadn't gone to Rabbit's help then, I'd never have met Vixen.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Don't panic.
Fox is right. We can't desert them now. Oh, here comes Ada.
Sorry to have kept you.
I don't think Weasel will be able to travel tonight.
Oh, no. We're never going to get to White Deer Park at this rate.
We could always leave her behind.
Oh, where am I?
We'd be at White Deer Park by now, matey, if it wasn't for you.
And the rabbits.
Badger, my saviour. Oh.
Oh, Lord. Must be the stuff she drank in the human's place.
My head hurts.
It's your own fault, you greedy little weasel.
Soon as Fox is back, I'm off. Weasel can look out for herself.
Now, don't be silly, Hare. There is still the oath. Fox hasn't deserted the rabbits, has he?
Oh dear. I hope he's all right. Rabbits can get you into all sorts of trouble.
As I see it, the oath expires at journey's end, and I can hardly wait to get my fangs into those mice.
Oh, no. Shall I go after her, Badger? No need, Toady. Ada may want to behave like any other snake, but she can't. Not anymore. This journey has changed all of us. Even her.
I knew you wouldn't desert us, Fox.
On my back, one at a time. Now, hold on. Wait for me.
Fox is a long time.
Stop moaning. He'll be all right. I'll miss him once we're there.
He'll still protect us from the other animals in the park, though, won't he?
I don't know, Mother. Now we're nearly there, I feel almost sad.
Sad?
I'm looking forward to behaving like a vole again. I don't know about you, but I know what you mean, son. And take comfort, for your dreams will never be the dreams of an ordinary vole. Never again. Your dreams will be different till the day you die, and so will mine. For I'm proud to be a Farthing wood traveller. And as for that oath we made, well, we'll keep it among ourselves and amongst our children's children, so that the spirit of this journey will be kept alive forever.
Well said.
Fox, you're back!
Believe it or not, we're all here at last. Shall we go?
Oh, we're here, mateys. Oh, we've made it. We've made it. Come, let me greet you.
Me first! Me first! The last shall be first, and the first shall be last. Ha!
Go on, Toad. You led us here.
Besides, you've been here before.
To have made the journey once is remarkable. To have done it twice is extraordinary. News of your coming reached us long ago. We are so glad to be here. And it's all thanks to Fox. We'd never have done it without him.
I only wish we could all have made it.
But those of you who did have made history. Welcome to White Deer Park.